There'll be time when you're embroidering that you are going to run out of bobbin. On the Bernina 880, I'm going to show you a couple things that could assist. So number one, if you do have the table on, your opening right here does allow you to see that bobbin area as it flips itself to you. Now, I will have to tell you, because of the way the bobbin is threaded for embroidery, yes, I can do that with the table on. But if for some reason your hands just don't work that way, all you need to do is push down on this button, just slide the table out, and you can almost just set it just about right here, so you're not actually having to like fully take it off, but then that way your bobbin area is more accessible, you can see what you're doing. But if you practice just a little bit with your table on, I bet you'll become very successful with your bobbin, even when you're not totally, well, you'll see it because you can peek in here, but it might take you a couple tries, and it will definitely save you a lot of time if you can change your bobbin with the table in place.